Right, I've had enough. I am sick of getting stick off this man here that I don't know how to do computers anymore because I'm the boss. I'm still a techie and I'm going to prove it. Today, we are going to have a challenge, aren't we, Ben?
We are.
We've come up with a challenge, really simple one. We're going to take a brand new PC and install some applications. Now, the challenge is we've both been given the same set of applications, so far as I know.
Yeah.
This better not be a trick. So far as I know, we've been given the same set of applications and then we're both going to install them as fast as we can.
Are you going to win?
Yes, I'm going to win.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm certain.
Should we have a bet?
I haven't lost my edge, if that's what you think.
Okay, we'll see. Do you want to bet?
Yeah, all right then.
£10 for every minute? Over?
£10 for every minute.
Yes, yeah.
So if I'm faster than you by a minute, you're
Yeah.
going to give me £10.
Definitely, yeah.
I'm going to feel bad taking your money off you.
Okay, shall we have a bet?
All right then. Easiest money I'm going to make all day. Right,
We'll see.
I'm ready. Right, give me the apps.
Go, go, go.
Adobe Acrobat Reader, Google Chrome, Microsoft Teams, the Azure Virtual Desktop Agent, and GitHub Desktop. All right, easy. Go, 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 go.
So what have we got?
What are you doing?
Probably going to build this by the time it takes you to install that.
Get out of it. There's no way you're building that.
We'll see.
Have you made this machine slow on purpose?
Nope. Come on, Scott.
You've slowed it
Have
down.
you even installed anything yet?
Nothing's happening. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What's next? Adobe Acrobat Reader. Come on. Right, Chrome's installed. Right,
2
done,
minutes,
done,
eh?
done, done, done,
2
done,
minutes to do one install.
Shut up. Right, Chrome's working. Right, Adobe Reader's downloading.
Are you sure?
Yep.
The right version?
Yeah. Download now.
I think I'll have this whole model done by the time you finish that.
Shut up. Well, what's the Azure Virtual Desktop Agent called?
Would you like me to help you with that?
No, I don't want help. Right, Teams is doing. Adobe Acrobat is doing. Okay, Teams is installed.
I thought you were good at Googling.
I am good at Googling. Come on. Do something. Where's the Azure Virtual Desktop Agent? Right, desktop is being installed for GitHub.
You're struggling, Scott.
No, not struggling. Is this the right name? The Azure Virtual Desktop Agent?
We have to help him out sometimes.
The Azure Virtual Desktop Agent is the thing that gets installed in the virtual machines. So where's the client?
Still struggling.
No. Right, GitHub Desktop's installed. Adobe Reader's still going. Windows Desktop. Aha! Come on. 2 things left. Oh, another installation is in progress. You must complete that installation before continuing this one. I've got to wait for Adobe Acrobat Reader to finish.
Ooh, that sounds like you're under a bit of pressure there.
It's at 90. It's just sat
So am I.
there.
I'm struggling to find a bit.
Oh, I hope you're having a nice time with your Lego.
Beautiful.
Yes. It's done. Next. Yes, I accept. Next. Right, Acrobat Reader's installed. And done. Well, it's launching. Done. 11 minutes. Done. 10 minutes 31. Oh, even better. Ben, you got no chance, mate.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Well, look what I've managed to achieve in the time it's taken you to do that.
Look, unless you're better at Googling, you're not getting that any faster.
We'll have to see, won't we? So then, Scott,
Yes, Ben.
I'm going to beat you on this.
No, you're not. 10 minutes.
10 minutes
seconds.
to install. How many applications was it?
5.
5.
2 minutes an application.
Can I have the list, please? Okay, so we have a list of 5 applications. Let's go.
And I've got chocolate.
So we're going to not necessarily cheat, but do it the easy way. So Winget.
Are you going to download everything from the cloud?
Nope. Winget install Microsoft.Teams.
It's already taken ages. Good luck with your shortcuts.
Winget install Google.Chrome.
From the cloud.
There we go. So that's the third one. It downloading and installing. Winget install. This is hard work. Google all this googling.
Shut up.
So that's that. Oh, the 4th one on the go. So let's get the 5th and final one on the go.
I'm Ben and I
So
use
Winget install GitHub Desktop there. So we just got a USC prompt there for Googs.
How many of you actually finished yet?
None yet. But
None.
I
What's the
can
time?
Sit back.
3 minutes gone.
Sit back and relax.
3
because
minutes.
I don't
You haven't
have
installed any.
to do anything. So is that my bit done now? 3
No,
minutes?
they're not installed.
Okay, we've got somewhat installed. What's that?
Oh, finally.
Oh, Teams is installed.
6 minutes later.
Oh, another one installed. It's hard work, this. Oh, another one installed. Oh, look, it's another one installed.
So is that 4?
Yeah. Installed.
Oh, Ben. Is it installed?
Yeah, installed.
Are you done?
Yeah, it's done.
Are you done?
Yeah.
You should probably let us know. Like, I'm done!
Ooh, it's done!
I think you thought you were going to win a lot faster than that.
To be fair, I did actually, but who works smarter?
I think these magic fingers had you beat. I think I was there rattling away.
Well,
I think I had it.
I'm sure there was a minute in it. Do I get £10?
Yeah.
Or do I get any money for the efficiencies? So I've saved another 5 minutes there.
Well,
So is that £50?
no.
Because I could have moved on and done something else.
What, 'cause
while
you were
the
sat
installs.
around?
You were frantically Googling. Right, so to conclude, we can use Scott's method, frantically Google and install your applications, stressing, worrying which installers, or you can...
Fine. I suppose you could use Ben's method and use Winget and have a nice easy time, put your feet up. Are you happy now?
There you go. Give me 5.